If your slitter blade is not set correctly in terms of the depth on the lower slitter blade, your upper slitter blade may want to actually jump on top of the panel instead of cutting and slicing right through it. If this happens, it's very easy to fix. You will unscrew these 2 Allen bolts and remove the upper slitter bar and replace the slitter blade back down onto the lower slitter blade and tighten your Allen screws. Once that is done, you will then go back through the adjustment to set the slitter blade lower onto the slitter blade. A common adjustment that you'll have to make on the slitter itself is adjusting the height at which the blade rides on the lower slitter blade. You can make this adjustment by using a 9/16 wrench and loosening this bolt and then tighten the bottom bolt. And as you can see, you can lower the frame of the slitter blade down to lower the height of the blade on your lower slitter blade. You can then go back in and tighten it into place. When setting up your hemmer for hemming your eave and your valley cuts, you have these shoes that are placed across the entire width of the hemmer. These are adjustable. If you have a 3/16 Allen, you can loosen and move and tighten into place as many as necessary to put even pressure across your panel before you make your hems. After you've slit your panel and you're ready to make your hem, you want to make sure that your shoes are set up correctly on your hemmer. And the hemmer has a built-in fencing along the inside of the folding bar that when closed and you bring your panel to it, your panel will hit up against that fencing, and that's when you know you're square. You want to make sure that you are tight up against that fencing in the corners. You will need to snip your panel at the angle you are trying to hem if you have a wider rib on your panel. Once you have created this angle, you can now run your panel into position, lock it down, and get a perfect hem in your valleys.